Munchkin, I got you some presents. Do you want to open them?
Yeah!
Yeah. This one.
The medium box.
Medium box.
I don't know how to open this.
Let me... There? Yeah.
Yeah. More tracks.
More tracks. This way we can extend your deluxe Brio set and some of our other tracks, right?
Yeah.
So we never run out. Here, you want to pull them out real quick?
Yeah.
Show us this. Ooh, Munchkin.
What?
I didn't even realize. This is a really cool switch track. And the reason why I got this was because of the straightaways.
Now let's open the bigger box.
Okay, hold on. Here, can you move this out of the way? Are you ready for the second present?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's for you.
I don't know how to open this
I
thing.
know, yeah. I have to help it for you. Here, now you can open it. Just how about pick out one and then, ooh, what's that? Do you like that train?
Yep.
Yeah?
That's why. Where do I?
Yeah, you're right. It's a little
Oh.
stuck. Whoa, oh my gosh. That's a nice red color.
Yep, it is.
Do you need help? It's like, this is some good packaging. There we go. There we go.
I'm strong.
You got it? Oh, what is that? Oh, that hooks up the, what do we call this, the coal car?
And this connects.
Streamline train.
Now do you want to open the other one in
That's
there?
cool, Munchkin. Yeah, we can open it. You want to open it up?
This one is a big box.
Whoa, what's that?
A bridge.
Oh
What are you gonna
my goodness.
What are you going to do with this bridge?
I don't know. What do you want to do with it?
Open it up?
You want to open it up?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Wait a second. There you go. Whoa. This is pretty cool. What do you see? Oh my gosh. Do you want to set up the bridge?
Yeah.
Real quick. Wow.
Now look, it's some wham.
So what do we have? What kind of tracks we have in there? Okay. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Little piece. Okay.
And wham.
And
Another wham. So do you wanna watch the train go over the bridge?
yeah.
Let's start over here probably.
Okay.
What?
Whoa. That's so cool. Awesome, Munchkin.
Yeah.
Guess what? I have one more present for you.
The light signal.
Yeah. You want to open that up?
So
Whoa. Let me see. Does it turn on or do we have to put batteries in? Is there anything else in the box? Oh, it's already batteries are in there. How do you work it?
like you press this button.
There you go. So you push that button at the top. So what would red tell you?
Stop. What could
And
tell
what would yellow mean?
slow?
Slow down.
And green means go.
That's awesome, Munchkin. I love it so much.
Now what?
Do you love your presents?
Yeah?
Yeah? You want to play with them?
Yeah.
Okay.
The little one.
Oh yeah, here.
first.
Open
This
up.
is a big box.
That is a big box. Yeah, open the tracks. Liam got some new Brio stuff, so today we're gonna build some tracks. Liam, what do you want to build?
A ginormous track.
A ginormous track? Okay, let's do it. Oh, fun. So you're gonna use the cave with the elevator?
Yeah.
That's fun.
And I'm gonna make a little turn straight away.
You wanna do the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay. So where are we gonna put the bridge?
By this.
move the bridge close. There you go.
Now what?
Whoa, I don't know, you tell me.
Now how do we do?
Oh, well, you need another piece, right?
Yeah.
That piece you used was for the bridge.
Looking for one. You need this?
Yeah.
That's a very
That's long, right?
straightaway.
That's kind of fun.
Yeah. And then
Pretty
let's
sturdy.
use another hill.
That is so cool.
Another little turn.
Yeah, there you go.
And then a straight.
Nice. Maybe if you do this.
And then a switch back. This fairy turn. And then turn. Another straightaway.
It looks like this, but smaller.
You need this one?
Yeah, but now there should be a smaller one.
It looks like that.
Yes, exactly.
We found one.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Before you go up to the bridge. That's
And then you exit right. You exit
Yeah.
right here.
That's cool. Okay, before we go that way, do you want to, can the trains and the tracks fit under the bridge? In that one? Or, where's a train? Find a train car. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, it fits. Do you want to put tracks under the bridge? I just mean like right here. Like take this off. And, okay, we need the opposite. We need the opposite of these. Right behind you. Yes, perfect, kiddo. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There you go.
And then what?
Like this.
Now it works.
Now you have tracks that go under a bridge. There we go. So, we put it here, something like this, right? We have to figure out, we can do it over here. We have to figure out how to connect these pieces. So maybe get me 2 small curves this way. There you go. Okay? Then this way, you can send another track this way and another track this way. Maybe it comes around, it goes through there somehow. And then maybe this one can go through the cave.
With one of these
So you want that to go to the train station. Got it. Yeah. And 2 more little curves. There you go, kiddo. Good job. Now you need to connect this one to this one. And you have a bunch of straightaways over here that we should probably rethink using. Got it? Awesome. Okay, now we need more straightaways to go under the cave. Okay, where do you want to use that one?
Maybe put it right here.
Okay. Now, would it be easier to save ourselves a straightaway? Let's put this. Do we have to use one more of these?
Yeah.
Possibly, right? Maybe we do this. Something like that.
That's a great idea.
Okay. Thank you. We need to figure out how we do something like this. Right. Okay.
That works.
Something like that, right? Okay, is that gonna work? It does work, okay. We need to figure out this situation. So we modified this loop again because we're having so many issues with it. The goal was to be able to enter the loop, come through it, and turn around if you wanted to, or kind of continue this way and go up the bridge. All we have left now is to connect this to that track.
My idea is to make some straightaways over here and then a turn over there.
Right?
Well,
Oh my goodness. We have loops, we have bridges, we have a train station, we have tunnels, more loops. Munchkin, this was so creative. You did such a good job.
thanks. And you did such a good job too.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's send a train around and show everyone how this works. Just turn Chase's
The
head.
Magic Kingdom, here we come.
Okay, so it's gonna go straight, And it's gonna go up our bridge. Oh my gosh.
If he takes us going to that train station. Maybe he's going to this train station.
Is he going to the train station?
Yeah. When it gets...
Goes over our bridge. The train station. Oh my gosh. Down the hill. We'll call this high chair loop.
It's Blair's high chair.
It's Blair's high chair loop. Oh no. Chase is not gonna fit. Oh no, the car. Almost gonna run you over.
Run you over.
You!
It won't run me over.
No, I know, it's too small. Okay, then it's gonna come through here. And then we are back to our starting point.
And that's the... Well, here's the starting point.
And we're gonna
that
go
is the
this
finish.
way. And then basically he can go, the train can come this way, and then kind of do the same similar loop. Is he gonna fit? He's gonna fit. Oh, that's amazing. And we use our intersection.
Train coming up, Rio City Station.
And
You
this
saw-
train
Train
can
coming
go-
up, Rio Station. Thank you.
And then back through the cave and kind of does the same loop. That was really cool.
Yes, it was.
That's really cool. And there it
Oh,
is.
good, Daddy.
You did
Daddy.
so good, Munchkin.